Welcome back. It's SalonDivaV in the place to be. And y'all, today we are going to be potting up this spinach, my accidental spinach. So it has been sitting out underneath my shade cloth, waiting to be planted. So today, before we lose the sunlight, we're going to pop them in the garden. So all I'm doing is digging a hole 2 fingers deep and taking it out like that. What are y'all doing? And putting it in the soil. Y'all, I have so many spinach plants. If you didn't see the video of how I got all these spinach plants, go check it out. Just popping them in. Oh, wrong one. Put that one back. It's over here. So if you are new to the channel, welcome in, divas and divos. And if you are an OG, thanks for coming back. Can y'all can't even see me, huh? So I'm just putting them in their final place. So let me go get some more. Oh. This is my first time growing spinach, and like I told y'all in my video before, they grew by accident. All from a mistake. I guess you can say it was a good mistake. We're gonna save this tag. What's up? Okay. All right. We're gonna put them in. All right. So if y'all wondering who I'm talking to, the mister is talking to me on the camera. Let's do so spinach are cold hardy plants, so they should do just fine. This one is dying, so Yeah, I'm gonna leave him rest in peace. Sis. Pop this one in. That looks like there's more than one plant, but okay. Look at that one. That's a nice one. Trying to get y'all can see. There we go. All right. Look at those, how pretty they are. And it is about, it's been between 50 and 60 degrees. So these spinach should do just fine. All right, y'all. So I'm going to get the rest of these planted in. That is what they are looking like so far. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. And I have a couple of more rows to go. So I'm going to put them in. And I will come back when I'm done. All right, y'all, we are back, and all of the spinach is planted in. And y'all, I have 27 plants total. 27 spinach, excuse me, 27 spinach plants total. So if all these spinach grow, wait, it's on and popping, baby. All right, y'all, thank y'all for coming and watching my videos. Thank y'all for checking out my Vlogmas series. We have a new video every day of December at 7 a.m. I drop them at 7 a.m. Y'all, if y'all haven't come over to my Trivia Tuesdays, it's on Tuesdays at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. I hope to see y'all. We do trivia, and at the end, we draw a prize for the winner. You could be a lucky winner. So hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment below if I added value to you in your garden or in your situation or in your life. Catch me on my other social media platforms. Would love to have you over there. Leave me a comment. Hit that like button. And until I see you guys in the next video, it's the SalonDivaV in the place to be. And you know what it is. Peace.